YouTube descriptions is something that we don't think about the first time we're creating a channel. And to be honest, YouTubers, people who use YouTube don't even read the descriptions, but they're really important for the YouTube algorithm to know who to serve the content to. And especially for new channels where the algorithm doesn't have enough data to know the audience, the YouTube description is important to be detailed as possible. Okay, let's dig in. I'm now creating this prompt. It starts by explaining the situation. As many details as you can give it, the better. So now this one, I'm giving it details that I'm creating this YouTube channel and the topics that the channel is going to discuss, and then the type of the videos that they will be educational and they will be related to digital marketing and marketing in general. The topics that I'm going to cover are SEO, SEA, meta ads, TikTok, and YouTube, the basic marketing topics that we have there. We also want to highlight the niches, the industries, so e-commerce, B2C, and B2B brands. And I actually forgot about workflow automation, so let me add that one too. And then the actual command. So provide a YouTube description, channel description for the channel. As many details as you can give, that's going to be really, really beneficial. You will get the result that you want. And I'm going to also define the target audience, which is marketers that are interested in AI. Okay, so this is the prompt, and you don't have to write this prompt down. I can add it to the comments. Just say if you want this prompt, I will add it to the comments. So please comment if you want this prompt. Then the actual tone of voice. So make it energetic. And expert. Well, the expert part isn't needed. I think creativity is better here. So let's go with that and let's click on submit. Let's just copy this so that we can put it in the other answer engines too. And let's see what it comes, and let's see what the results are. Welcome to the future of marketing. Hey, that's a good start. Tired of endless manual tasks? Feeling like you're falling behind in AI revolution? That's pretty good. I don't like this one-stop shop, so let me just regenerate it. There's still the one-stop shop. Well, anyways, let's continue reading it. Yeah, this is what it offers, and this is what we're going to explore. Great. Call to action, and then the tags. Although there's very little tags, so we have to do something about that. But what if I highlight one-stop shop and then I just modify this? This is a new feature in Gemini where you can just highlight and then it will regenerate only the highlighted part. Really, really good. And as you can see now, this is better. One-stop resource. Nice. This is good. Copy that. Then maybe I'd like to add more tags here. Let's do that. So make it longer. Another good feature in Gemini where you can highlight and make it longer. The output, and that's it. I think that's really good. I just noticed that I forgot to mention about web analytics, which is also one of my core expertise. So I'm going to ask it to add it to the description. All right, let's go. Okay, AI-powered web analytics. Dive deep into your website analytics. Looks good, let's copy it. Let's go with the Flash. I know there's also deep research here, but I don't want to use deep research for this really, really small task where you don't really need to research anything. Basically, I could do deep research to look at the top 100 uh, best YouTube videos in this niche and then create a description based on that, but it's too much. I don't think we need to go to that level. I think comparing it with experimental advanced and 1.5 Pro and GPT 4.0 is enough at this point. So let's take the exact same prompt and actually let's modify it a bit because I forgot to mention about the web analytics. So we modify that, but apart from that, we can go with the same prompt here. This is the output now. It kind of changed a lot. It changed the first sentence, and then this is a bit longer, and then here you need to kind of replace your channel name, and you can't just copy paste this to your description. You have to make additions to this output, which is not optimal if you want to save time. So that's a minus for 2.0 Flash Experimental. However, it might be more to do also about the branding, that you mention your brand in the description, especially if you're building like a personal brand or like a channel. Well, if you're building a personal brand, then you don't actually have to do it. But let's go to ChatGPT. Let's have the exact same prompt here. And there is also a beta for scheduled tasks. Hey, I need to check that out later. I'll probably make another video about that. But let's go with this prompt. So this is the channel description. It outputs, it generates, and yeah, it has emojis. It's way shorter than Gemini. And there's highlighted words. These probably are not keywords that people search for, but again, something that you want to highlight in the description. The hashtags are missing, so let's ask it to generate some hashtags. And there you go. It now has some hashtags also. Great. But I mean, there's nothing wrong with this description. It's just, it's not formatted in a good way with as with Gemini, and also it's way shorter than Gemini. So I think out of 3 options, I'd go with the Gemini 1.5 Pro version. So that one was the best. So this one, welcome to the future of marketing. I kind of like that first sentence. So let's just copy this and then let's go to our YouTube channel. Let's add it there. Want to save time using AI for all of the things. These are minor things, like these kind of use cases, but there's like thousands of use cases you can use here. Oh, okay. Your description is too long. Whoa, ChatGPT knew something that Gemini didn't. So the description is too long. Let's see how much. That's kind of a bummer that it didn't respect the YouTube description maximum character length. So basically, it wasn't just copy pasting. You do need to make some changes. Future of marketing, let's add it to the beginning, because in many cases, like in videos, for example, the first 3 hashtags are displayed underneath the video. So the same thing here. We want to have the best hashtags in the beginning. So 2,435 out of 1,000. So the character length, the character limit is 1,000. This is good, but respect the character limit of a YouTube description. And now it has shortened it. Great. Actually did also change the title, which I do not like. How many characters this is? I kind of like welcome to the future of marketing. I'm gonna change the title here. This is still 14 characters long. Come on, Gemini. Still a bit too long. Let's shorten this now. I took one sentence and now it's 998. There you go. Now it's the right character length. That's the description we have. Gemini, in terms of copywriting, Gemini 1.5 had the best description. However, ChatGPT already knew the character length. It had a short description, so props for ChatGPT for that. However, I went with Gemini because the copywriting was better. I had to shorten the description myself, but it's okay. Now, this is my channel. It's published, and this is a really new channel. Go subscribe to it if you're interested in automating your marketing tasks and also learn about AI and marketing. This is a new channel. I'm going to grow it. And I have a marketing consultancy. I have a marketing agency that's doing 10K per month now, but I'm looking to go for 1 million. And just follow my journey here, and I'm going to have more educational content here on this channel. See you next time.